The Otsu House, a creation by Base Building Concepts and celebrated by Sam Ray of Story Design Collective, stands as a testament to timeless design, drawing profound inspiration from its immediate neighbor, the ocean. Situated mere steps from the sandy shore, the home required a delicate yet durable approach. The proximity to the beach mandated a pared-back, neutral color palette, a choice that wasn't merely aesthetic but also functional, filling the internal spaces with an inviting warmth while allowing light to play across the subtle, reflective textures. This mindful restraint in color ensured the house felt like a natural extension of its coastal environment, allowing the ever-changing light of the sea to become part of its interior design. The necessity of withstanding the harsh marine climate was a primary driver in the selection of materials. As Rachel Louie of Base Building Concepts explains, being so close to the ocean definitely had a big influence on the color palette that we chose, and crucially, the products we used. Every component had to be enduring enough to survive the salt, wind, and sun. This foundational principle led to a collection of aesthetically nuanced materials, each selected for its ability to age gracefully within the demanding local conditions, forging a home that is both beautiful and inherently robust. A cornerstone of this design philosophy is the extensive use of rock-cut Japanese Atsumigaki. This raw, natural clay finish became a significant, tactile link to the beachfront setting. Josh Ui, co-director at Base Building Concepts, highlights the material's specific charm. The thing we loved about Atsumigaki was its subtle nature, its reflective qualities. He notes how it avoids being overbearing in direct light, instead revealing a really nice luster when catching the softer, ambient side light. This textured material provides a distinctive sheen that changes throughout the day, bringing an intimate attention to detail with warmth, despite being, as Concretation's director Ryan Peterson observes, a raw product like concrete. Equally fundamental to the home's enduring palette is the use of concrete. Ryan Peterson describes the finished result as quite amazing and architecturally pleasing. Beyond its visual appeal, the concrete ceiling serves a dual purpose. It acts as a thermal barrier and provides exceptional noise cancellation. You can't hear footsteps up above, perhaps music, whatever it may be, he says. This deliberate use of mass creates this real warm, quiet, and peaceful place, a calm sanctuary within the family home. The material is elegantly continued in the curved kitchen bench, maintaining the natural, neutral cohesion found throughout the entire dwelling. The home's sense of flowing movement begins right at the threshold, greeted by an enticing sculptural staircase. This curved structure is more than just a means of vertical travel. It immediately draws the eye inward and upward, acting as a dynamic centerpiece. Its arching form consciously reflects the textured clay of the walls and evokes a direct, visual connection to the rolling ocean waves. This thematic thread of curves, a nod to nature's organic lines, is woven throughout the interior, subtly reappearing in places like the ensuite shower, where it is perfectly framed by the stark geometry of rectangular tiles. An integral design feature that marries function with tranquility is the courtyard space, which operates as a light well for the entire ground floor. Rachel Uwe explains its dual benefit. It creates a really visual connection between all the rooms in the downstairs area, fostering a sense of openness. More dynamically, it manages air and light. When we open the doors, the breeze flows through and creates this beautiful pattern in the curtains, the shadows, and the light. The linen curtains here play a vital role, softening the inherent raw nature of the concrete and introducing a delicate element that beautifully interacts with the home's neutral scheme. In its entirety, Otsu House is a masterful study in a considered combination of finishes and textures. It consciously layers timeless, enduring materials within its beachside structure, allowing a sophisticated sensibility to permeate the family home. The materials are attuned not just to the local climate but to the feeling of the beachside locale, emerging as a sophisticated yet tranquil insertion into its surroundings. This thoughtful approach to design, focusing on material truth and a connection to context, successfully instills a profoundly tranquil quality throughout the house. From the reflective luster of the Otsumagaki clay to the quiet strength of the concrete, every detail contributes to a cohesive vision. As Rachel Uwe concludes with quiet satisfaction, it's been really beautiful to see it all come together, a finished work that is strongly and beautifully connected to the world around it. If you enjoyed this tour and found inspiration in the thoughtful design of the Otsu House, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more architectural insights and beautiful homes. By hitting the notification bell, you won't miss our next video. You can also find links to Base Building Concepts and Story Design Collective in the description if you'd like to see more of their incredible work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.